What is up, everybody? I'm Blazebo. Welcome to Ex-Sword-Stential-Crisis. This is a game where we're playing as this sword, I'm assuming, and we have to cut this king's lawn or something. I don't know why we're using a sword to cut the king's lawn. Like, why not a freaking lawnmower or some shit? You know, like what everybody else uses. I guess we're different in this game. So yeah. I gotta insert my name. Okay, well, how about Blazebolt? How'd I think of that name? Don't know. It just totally came to my head. I press enter. Okay. So we gotta. So I think we got. Okay. Oh, okay. So we only have 6 minutes. We only have 6 minutes to get rid of all of the grass. So we better lock in. We better lock in. And we don't wanna. Okay, we don't wanna we don't wanna bump into the the animals and. Oh no. Oh, we don't wanna bump into the animal because. No. Oh my god, bro. I was trying to say we don't want to bump into the animals because then we'll freaking stab them to death. I do that shit. Oh my gosh. Bro. That's the second animal I killed. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, chill. I mean, when you think about it, I'm literally a sword. I'm a goddamn sword moving around cutting grass. Like, again, why not use a lawnmower? Do lawnmowers not exist in this game? Is the king just that lazy? Is the king just that lazy to go buy a lawnmower or something? Oh my god, bro. Just use a lawnmower, bro. Don't use a sword. I mean, yeah, like, I get it's working, but like, I killed two animals and I feel bad. I straight up feel bad. Okay, I need to get up the. Okay, get up the. Okay, so I only have 3 minutes to get rid of. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, no. Get. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This sword is so hard to control. I guess because like it's a sword. And also, I'm controlling myself. There's no human being controlling me. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. And I'm assuming if I don't cut all the grass before the timer before the timer ends, I just have to restart. I'm assuming it's like that. Oh my gosh, I only have a minute. Hurry up. Okay, come on. Alright, and then get no. Where are you going? Okay. I mean, we did get more grass. So far, I only killed 2 animals. I feel bad, yeah, but when you think about it, they were in my way. That's on them. Come on, get the... Just get the... I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Oh my god, bro. I'm not gonna... I don't think... I killed 3... Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Get up the... I didn't really look at the controls for this game, but... No. You missed the... Oh. Come on. I'm assuming these, like, red, like, circle bright things on the ground are coins. Yeah, or not coins, but dollars. So, that's cool. I'm getting paid to do this. Maybe this job ain't so bad. I mean, yeah, I killed 3 animals, but again, they were in my way. So it's definitely not my fault. Oh my, I'm not gonna, oh my gosh. Yeah, I gotta restart. Oh, this was, I didn't even realize there was a score. 940? I didn't even get to 1,000? Wow. Okay, press enter to, okay, quick, okay. Alright. We're doing this again, yeah. Move! Stupid ass sign? Oh my gosh, just go, move, come on. This damn ass sword is taking its time. I only have 6 minutes, well, 5.5 minutes. Come on. Bro. Come on. Yes. Come on. Okay. I'm sorry I killed you. And again, I feel bad. I don't know why I keep saying that, like, as if I don't feel bad. I definitely do. Trust me on that. Move. Come on. Come on. Just get up the... Okay, I'm at 171, okay, come on. I only have 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes to cut 156 more, grass. So, like, I really gotta log in. Come on. It's so hard to control the sword, like, cause, like, I guess, like, I can't really tell, like, which way it's facing. So... Come on. And honestly, I'm not gonna end this video until I get all of the grass. I'm not gonna leave this game without cutting all the grass, guys. Come on. Come on. Bro, come on. Get up the... Alright, and then... Come on. Just get the... Oh my gosh. Okay, can I just get... Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not making it. I'm not gonna make it again. Am I stuck? Move! Nah, I'm really yelling at a dead sheep. Actually, no. That's not a sheep. That's a ram. I cut his head off. Oh my gosh! Bro, this game's insane. And I'm stuck. I can't move. Okay. Alright, we're doing this again. Come on. Alright. Come on. Yes, come on. Look at all this. Yes. Now we're already in like the 200 the 200 grass. And it's still 5 minutes. So like this could be it. I'm just saying. Although I'm not gonna get my hopes up. Come on, just get the grass. Come on. Bro, why does he keep missing every single grass? Come on, just... Also, I don't know if it's just me, but like this game, this could be one of those games that's just that just like rage baits you, right? I feel like this is one of those like raging games. Maybe it's probably just me. But like I don't know, like that's what I'm feeling right now. I'm not gonna lie. Come on. Just get. Bro, oh my god, just get the... Okay, yeah, and then... Come on, go. Move! That's what y'all get for getting in my way. Like, you see a sword coming? Towards you? You move out of your freaking way. Don't just stand there. What's wrong with these guys? Like, I'm sorry, but it's like you kind of asked for that. Come on. Shit. No. Oh my gosh. This freaking giant ass rock boulder thing's in my way. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Move. Oh my. That's what happens. Sorry. Bro, move. Oh my god. I'm getting tired of these guys. Just get out of my way. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. And then... Come on, 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 get the... Really? Really? Bro, come on. Okay, I see all this grass over here. Wow, okay, okay. Come on, how'd you not? Okay, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Again, we're not gonna make it. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay. Alright, come on. So I played a few more rounds of this game, and I still have not gotten all the grass. So like it just doesn't seem like I'm gonna get all of the grass. So yeah, I guess I am gonna have to end this video with not cutting all the grass. I feel ashamed. I feel so sad, guys. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, y'all. I tried my hardest. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video, and if you guys want to try this game, if you guys want to try this game for yourselves, again, it's called Ex-Sword-Stential-Crisis. I will leave a link to it in the description down below of this video, as usual. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If y'all can actually cut the grass, like all the grass, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, so. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'm gonna head out. Peace.